design enthusiasts. Welcome to Homes Inspiration Studios, your one and only source for interior-exterior design inspiration. Today, we share with you the magic of wall decor for your bedroom and tips for how to create a stylish and cozy space with budget-friendly ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. So, are you tired of staring at that blank wall in your bedroom? It's time to inject some personality and style into your sleep sanctuary. Today, we're diving deep into the world of bedroom wall decor. We'll explore what it is, why it matters, and how to create a stunning space without breaking the bank. So, grab a cup of your favorite beverage, get comfy, and let's transform your bedroom together. Wall decor refers to any decorative items or elements you hang on your walls to enhance the aesthetic appeal of a room. In the context of a bedroom, it's all about choosing pieces that complement your personal style and create a relaxing atmosphere. Your bedroom is your personal retreat, a place to unwind and recharge. Wall decor plays a crucial role in setting the mood and ambience of your space. It can transform a dull room into a stylish oasis. Plus, it's a fantastic way to express your individuality and showcase your personality. How to make your bedroom look stylish with wall decor. Creating a stylish bedroom with wall decor is all about balance and cohesion. Consider your bedroom's overall style, such as modern, minimalist, bohemian, or other style, and choose pieces that complement it. Here are some tips to make your bedroom look stylish with wall decor. First, create a focal point. A large piece of art or a statement mirror can become the focal point of your bedroom. Second, play with textures. Mix and match different textures like wood, metal, and fabric to add depth and interest. Third, incorporate color. Use wall decor to introduce pops of color or create a monochromatic look. Fourth, consider the scale. Choose pieces that are the right size for your wall to avoid overwhelming the space. You don't need a fortune to create a stunning bedroom. Here are some cost-effective wall decor ideas for bedroom. First, DIY projects. Get creative with DIY wall art, such as framed fabric swatches, painted canvases, or macrame hangings. Second, thrifty finds. Explore thrift stores and flea markets for unique and affordable pieces. Third, repurpose items. Give new life to old objects by transforming them into wall art. Fourth, digital art. Print your favorite photos or artwork and frame them for a personalized touch. And here these the collection of the top 10 best wall decor ideas for your bedroom for your inspiration and ideas. 1. Art prints. Elevate your bedroom's ambience with carefully curated art prints that resonate with your soul. From abstract masterpieces to inspiring quotes, let art be your personal statement. 2. Mirrors. Create an illusion of space and add a touch of glamour with strategically placed mirrors. They not only reflect light but also visually expand your bedroom. 3. Tapestries. Embrace the bohemian spirit with vibrant and textured tapestries. These versatile pieces can transform your bedroom into a cozy and inviting retreat. 4. Wall shelves. Maximize your space and showcase your favorite collectibles with stylish wall shelves. They offer a practical and decorative solution for displaying books, plants, or small decorative items. 5. Wall decals. Unleash your creativity with removable wall decals. They're perfect for adding a playful or sophisticated touch without committing to permanent changes. 6. Washi tape art. Get crafty with colorful washi tape to create geometric patterns, inspiring quotes, or personalized designs. It's a fun and affordable way to transform your walls. 7. String lights. Create a magical and dreamy atmosphere with twinkling string lights. Drape them across your headboard or along the wall for a touch of enchantment. 8. Photo gallery wall. Celebrate your favorite memories with a curated photo gallery wall. Choose a layout that reflects your personality and create a focal point in your bedroom. 9. Clocks. Combine functionality with style by incorporating a unique clock into your wall decor. From vintage-inspired to modern minimalist, there's a clock to suit every taste. 10. Textured wall panels. Add depth and dimension to your bedroom with textured wall panels. They offer a luxurious and sophisticated look, elevating your space to new heights. Transforming your bedroom with wall decor is a fun and rewarding project. By following these tips and exploring the endless possibilities, you can create a space that's both beautiful and inviting. Remember, your bedroom should be a reflection of your personal style and a sanctuary where you can relax and recharge. For more inspiration and DIY tutorials, check out our YouTube channel, Home Inspiration Studios. We're passionate about helping you create your dream home. After this, we will provide you gallery of best wall decor ideas for bedroom gallery ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.